Learn how to efficiently share a Diggs QR code which will include your markup for a specific layer. Having the right file at your fingertips when you are on site is essential. This is especially true if you need the markup that is on a specific layer. With Diggs, you can easily export and publish a file with markup. Once published, you can share this file via QR codes or direct hyperlink. No Diggs login required for viewers. Just be sure not to share files that contain sensitive or private information. In your file, open the Layers tab in the dynamic island on the right of your screen. Turn on any layers that you have annotations for. In this case, we will turn on the layer for the paint team, so that notes on paint decisions are visible on the floor plan. Please note that any data in the base layer will also be visible. Review your markup, then proceed if you are ready. Click the Kebab menu, shown as 3 vertical dots, in the bottom center navigation pane, and select Export. Make sure that Include Annotations is toggled on. On Export, this will make a copy of this file and flatten the active layers into the document, making it no longer editable. This is perfect for teams who need distinct data. Click Export to save a local copy. For this example, we have prepared a folder in General to store files that we intend to share with QR codes. This is not required, but is a good habit for some teams to stay organized. For clarity, we named this folder Public QR Codes. We have renamed our exported file to include a note about the Paint Team layer to remove confusion. Next, we upload the file to this dedicated folder. We can now publish this via the Kebab on the far right. Open the file and visually validate that the paint layer data is shown. With the right data flattened in the file, we will publish the file via the Kebab in the bottom center navigation panel. Hit the confirmation button to publish your file. Pick a URL or share the QR code. You can also download the QR or print it from this menu. Looking at the file system, you can easily see the globe icon indicating this is a published file with links and codes available for external sharing. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps streamline your workflow.